Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to repair the glass back on an iPhone 4. If you did want a professional to do it, or if you wanted to buy any of the parts or tools in the video, simply go to the link in the bottom. So we can start by removing the two pentalobe screws that hold the glass back in place. And simply slide up from the bottom and lift out like so. If you were interested in having any other parts replaced by us, the videos are all on our channel. So we need to get the new glass back, offset slightly towards the top of the phone. Once it's in, slide towards the bottom and replace the two pentalobe screws to keep it in place. And there you are, glass back replacement on an iPhone 4.